Hey bitch. What's up? Oh my god. I'm back. I'm alive. Isn't that crazy? I know. So, it's been a while. I'm aware of that, but I have an explanation. I'm lazy as fuck. That's it. Let's go. Now, welcome back, everybody. I'm very happy to have you here. I'm also very happy to be back on YouTube. I know it's been a while, but trust me, we're gonna get right back into it with a very fun video that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and now I'm actually doing it. Isn't that cool? So on Twitter, on Instagram, I get a lot of comments asking me how I do my makeup because, let's face it, I'm a good makeup artist. Now, I'm no Jeffree Star, okay? I'm no James Charles, but I know my shit. I know my routine, and I've perfection it. Is that even a word? Do you say perfection? I don't know. Well, consider yourself lucky because today I will be sharing my makeup routine with you, step by step. No edits, that's bullshit. I will absolutely cut shit out. And without further ado, let's just get right into it. Woo! So before any makeup goes on your face, you have to moisturize and prime your face. Now, I've already done both of those things before I started recording, so we can get right into it. And that's what I'm gonna do. All right, step number one is foundation. Now, joke's on you, honey. I know I just said the first step is foundation, but guess what? I don't use foundation. I use a skin tint, bitch. Now, in order to apply this, I'm gonna have to pull back my hair, which is something that I hate because my forehead is massive. But hey, what's life without a little risk? I don't know. Are you guys ready for that? Wait, those are actually cool shades. Look at that. Am I serving you Met Gala 2026? Yes. Are you guys ready? I don't think you are. Okay, so I'm just gonna, it has this little thing, I don't know what that applicator is called, but it's cute. You just put that on your skin, just squeeze out the product. There we go. And then I'm taking my brush and I'm just gonna blend it in. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Gorgeous. Going in with the brush again. Now, I've just recently made the switch from a beauty blender to a brush. You can just clear a much bigger area in much shorter time than with a beauty sponge. So now taking some more of that product, putting it on the nose and on the forehead. Like that. Now, two things. First of all, I don't know if you can see it on camera. I don't think you can, but there's like all these little streaks and lines from the brush because it doesn't apply it as evenly as the beauty sponge. And we're gonna fix that in a second. And also, before you tell me, I know that's not my color, but for now, let's just, even this out a little bit. And for that, I'll be taking a beauty sponge and just lightly tapping all over my face. Perfect. Now, you can't see any difference on camera, but you definitely can in real life. Trust me. Now, that's the first step, all done. Next up, we're going on to concealer. My favorite concealer at the moment is this one from Maybelline New York, and I'm just squeezing some of that shit out so it's nice and kind of covered on this little sponge thing, I don't know. I'm gonna go in and just draw onto that smile line. I don't know what that's actually called. And I'm just gonna blend this out already. The next lines we're gonna draw are a dot here, and some shape here. I don't fucking know. And blending that out. Okay, the face is all concealed. Next up is contour. My favorite contour thing at the moment is the NYX Professional Makeup Wonder Stick. Now, this is a horrible product because it's a 2-in-1 thing, but the contour stick on that thing is good. But hey, now I'm gonna be drawing a bunch of lines on my fucking face. The first line, I'm gonna draw around here from the bottom of my ear sort of into the direction of my mouth. Around here, and I'm taking this brush and just doing a combination of tapping and swiping and a bunch of other motions. bunch of dots of blush. I'm gonna have to do a lot of this one because it has zero fucking pigment whatsoever. Now, with all that done, I'm gonna be taking my setting powder. I've also decided I'm not gonna say the brand names anymore because I can't be fucking bothered. I'm taking a good amount of that into the pan, and I'm dipping in there with the powder puff, and I'm setting the under eye in place. Just giving it a gorgeous dose of motherfucking powder. And now that the nose is powdered, you can see our skinny ass nose bridge snatched. And I'm taking some more of that powder and running it over here. And there we go. I currently look like a clown, but we're gonna fix that. Give me a second, because next up we're gonna do the eyes. Now for the eyes, I'm gonna do my signature look, okay? Well, it's actually not my signature look, it's a basic ass makeup look. Dark on the outside, bright on the inside, whatever, let's go. Good enough, whatever. Now there's so much more they could do with eyeshadow, but I can't be bothered. I don't care. Let's go to eyeliner. Now eyeliner is my favorite thing to do in the world. Just kidding, it's not. If you really want to do makeup like me, your face cannot be symmetrical. You have to fuck up your makeup on at least one side of the face. Okay, whatever. Now while we're at it, let's fuck up my eyebrows. Can you see the difference in my eyebrows? This one goes up here, this one goes down. I don't know where that came from. It wasn't me, girl, trust me. Now my philosophy is, what makeup can't fix, Photoshop can. Now I'm taking this big ass brush and just wiping all the powder off of my face. That's been sitting there for long enough. Jesus. Okay, let's do the lips. I like to overline them. Now I'm taking this lip gloss. Actually, no. Now, before we finish the lips, I'm actually gonna go back in and kind of refresh the base, you know, adding some color back because the powder does make me very, you know, bland. So we're gonna add some bronzer, we're gonna add some blush and just fix that shit up really quickly. Okay, that's that. Next step, we're gonna add some highlights to the high point of the face. So on the cheekbones, we're just gonna gloss that shit up really quick. And chin, forehead, and we're taking this little brush here and just adding some of the highlight onto the nose. Cute. Now I'm setting this in place. Like so. We've set this in place, just making sure it's there. And now the last and final step is eyelashes. We're gluing those bitches on as well. And there we go. That's about it. That's my makeup routine. The look is fully done. It's very out there, especially with the eyelashes, but I think that's what just makes it me, you know? If I had to describe this makeup look in 3 words, it would probably be trust the process, because it always comes out gorgeous, but only at the end. Now let's put the hair down. After my hair was up, it always looks like shit, so that's why I like to put on a wig cap and my wig. So let's do that. Now, serving you egg. and bam! That's it. That's my makeup routine all done. I hope you guys like it. I'm very pleased with the result actually, considering how it started. But yeah, this is the full look with the wig on and everything set in place. Now let's do a little posing, shall we? Alright, I would say everyone, that concludes this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something. If your makeup looks like shit while you're doing it, okay, trust the process. It might just end up looking gorgeous and flawless when you're done. So don't go back and start over if every step doesn't look perfect, and don't be too hard on yourself. Trust me, it took me like 4 years of constant practicing and techniques, you know, to achieve this. So don't be too hard on yourself. Just keep going, keep practicing, keep enjoying the beauty of makeup, and be creative. And with that said, I hope you guys really enjoyed that. Make sure to subscribe and like, and comment something nice. Comment how fucking hot I am, because we all know I am. And yeah, with that said, I'll see you in 4 years for the next video. Bye!